How to post multiple photos, videos as WhatsApp status. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to upload multiple photos and videos at once to your WhatsApp status on iOS or Android. Here, I'm using iOS device. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps because the steps are the same on both of the devices. So first of all, what you're going to do is open your WhatsApp application. So once you have opened your WhatsApp, you're going to click on updates at the bottom left. And then you're going to click on add status. And here you'll be able to see all of the photos and videos from your gallery. So you're going to choose one picture or video first. For example, I'm going to choose this one. So simply click on it. And once you do click on that, you're going to click on this icon over here. So simply click on this and then you're going to select another video or picture that you wish to post. For example, I'm going to select this one. And then you're going to click on next over here at the bottom right. And after that, you'll be able to see that a video and a photo has been added. And after that, you can simply click on send. And these videos or photos would be posted as your WhatsApp status. And that is basically how you can upload multiple photos and videos at once to your WhatsApp status. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.